how to add watermarks on CapCut. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. In this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can add watermark in CapCut. So let's get right into the video. First thing you have to do is open CapCut application and tap on New Project. Now click on Photos and select the green screen picture. You can find this green screen picture on Google, just search it and download it to your device. Once you are here on this page, click on Text option at the bottom of the screen. Again, click on Add Text. Now you can enter any text for your watermark. Tap on Font and select any font you want. After that, you can extend the duration of the watermark you want to add. Once you are okay with the video, finally click on the small icon at the top right corner and export it to your device. Once the video is exported, click on Done and again click on New Project. Now select the video you want to add the watermark on. After that, tap on Overlay option from the bottom of the screen. Again click on Add Overlay and select the video. After that, search for the Remove BG option from the toolbox. Click on it and again select the Chroma key option. From here, select the green color from the picker and tap on Intensity. Now slide the slider until the green color disappears. After that, again search for the Blend option from the toolbox at the bottom of the screen. Click on Blend and tap on Overlay option. And there you have it. In this easy and simple way, you can add watermark in CapCut. So that's all for the video. I hope you guys understood how you can add watermark in CapCut. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.